Oh my gosh, I love that outfit though. Yeah. It's a vibe. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be making Ahi Tuna poke bowls right here. So I'm on a path to become more healthy, so I'm trying to be more into clean eating. So that's why I'm leaning more towards food that I do not cook. So this is a no-cook recipe, which is good. It's easy, it took me less than 10 minutes. If you're interested, definitely keep on watching. Okay, the ingredients you'll need is a half a cup of green onions. Make sure to chop them up into 1/2 inch pieces. You're also going to need a tablespoon of grated ginger. Remove the skin. Okay, so grate the ginger on the side with the small holes. One tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayo, 2 tablespoons of dried seaweed, 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice seasoning, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Defrost 2 ahi tuna steaks. Okay, so let's begin and cook with me. So I have ahi tuna right here, and I'm going to chop it up in cubes. But first, I should open this bottle of wine. Oh, it's a cork. So it's a cork, and I don't know how to open corks, so I'm gonna have to pass on this. I'm not wearing any makeup right now. It's because I'm going all natural, you guys. And back to the ahi tuna. So I'm going to cut, I have 2 ahi tunas here, and I'm going to cut the ahi tuna into cubes. Shouldn't take that long. Try to be gentle with the tuna. And I'm gonna put it to the side. So for the sauce, I was gonna put it in this bowl, but I decided to put it in this smaller bowl. I'm adding the sesame oil. Sesame oil is hot, and you don't want to add too much, and it will ruin the flavor. And I like to add Japanese mayo because I love Japanese mayo better than American mayo, depending on what recipe. And I like it spicy, so I'm gonna add sriracha. I like it really spicy, so I add a lot of sriracha. I'm going to add soy sauce. And I'm gonna add this rice seasoning twice, but it's for rocket pie. I don't know how to say it. I'm going to mix accordingly, but this is how it should look like before. Whoa, this thing is so bad. You should get a consistency like that for the sauce. Okay, so now that I have the sauce ready, I have the ahi tuna. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. I'm just gonna use this straw to give it a good mix. Make sure the mixture isn't as juicy. You just want the fish coated. You just want the ahi tuna coated. I'm gonna add a little bit of dry seaweed. And then I'm going to add ginger. This poke bowl is my one of my healthy options that I like to make. And before I forget, I'm gonna add my secret teriyaki sauce. And then gonna add a little bit of, I'm adding a little bit of green onion. Gonna take half a lime and add it. This is a really juicy lime. There we go. Mix it, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and marinate this for 20 minutes.
Few moments later.
Okay, now that I marinated the ahi tuna, it should look like this. And I like to eat it with rice.
And I like to add green onion.
All right. I like to add lime. Touch of lime. I made the ahi tuna bowl. Here we go. Here we go. Let's try it. Oh my god. Did I buy this at a restaurant? So definitely try this out, you guys. See you guys in the next video.